This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make beer brats the only way. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh bratwursts, 2 12-ounce bottles of your favorite beer, 1 large onion, thinly sliced, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Having everything ready before you start ensures a smooth cooking experience. A sturdy skillet or Dutch oven will be perfect for this delicious culinary adventure. Now, let's infuse those brats with incredible flavor. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in your skillet over medium heat. Add the thinly sliced onions and sauté them until they are beautifully soft and translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, nestle the bratwursts among the onions, then pour in both 12-ounce bottles of beer. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring the brats are mostly cooked through. After their flavorful simmer, it's time to give our brats that perfect grilled finish. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer the brats from the skillet to the hot grill. Grill them for about 5 to 10 minutes, turning frequently, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a slight char. Remember to keep the delicious onion and beer mixture warm. It's essential for serving. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly crafted beer brats. Place each golden brown bratwurst into a sturdy bun, like a pretzel roll or a hearty hoagie. Spoon a generous amount of those warm, beer-braised onions over each brat. For an extra touch, offer classic accompaniments such as spicy brown mustard, tangy sauerkraut, or even more grilled onions. These delicious brats are sure to be a crowd pleaser at any gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.